nice deep breath in. Now let this leg fall a little. Good. Nice. He always makes funny sounds when I adjust him. Oh, nice. Good. You needed that today. Oh man, did I? Here. Just a little between the shoulder blades right there. There we go. Good. Be fast. There we go. That was actually pretty stuck, Dave. Yeah. Drop this knee down a little bit, let that rotate back. Okay. Good. There it was. Good. Relax that shoulder a little bit. Just relax everything, nice and easy. There we go. That's where you were the most stuck. Nice and easy. There we go. Good. And you are. Oh my goodness. Let me make sure these ribs are good slowly here. That's still a little stuck. Push down, and we'll run over here. There we go. And arch your neck back.
Oh.
Other way. Yeah. Awesome. Drop this knee a little bit, Justin. A little bit there. That was a good little release there. Oh my goodness. Nice. Right. Good. So just wiggle your toes a little for me. That works every time. And I like to let the muscles just relax. Good. Good. There we
Oh,
go.
wow.
And oh, that was a good release.